Hi, and welcome everyone. I'd like to take a moment to introduce myself. My name is Lynn Demers, and I'm a Havening Techniques trainer and a practitioner. Today, I'd like to invite you to join me for a guided, relaxing meditation, where I will be introducing Havening Touch. So let's just take a moment to settle into a comfortable place where you can feel supported and at ease. Just feel your feet on the ground and feel settled into your chair. Take a couple nice deep breaths as you breathe in and as you exhale. Maybe gently close your eyes if that's comfortable for you. Inviting in a sense of calm in this moment. And then we'll start with the palms. Just bring your palms together. Rub them gently, creating warmth between them, almost as if you have an invisible marble that you're just rolling between your palms. Notice the heat generated by this movement. Maybe feel the texture of your hands as they smoothly roll past one another. And this simple act signals to our body that it's time to slow down and to enter a state of relaxation. Breathe in the warmth. Let go of any tension that you've been holding on to as you breathe out. And next, we'll move to our upper arms. Gently wrap your arms lightly around yourself, as if giving yourself a comforting hug. With your hands on your upper arms, gently stroke down from your shoulders to your elbows. Let this movement be soft and soothing, a gesture of kindness to yourself. Each stroke helps to ease your mind and your body, reinforcing a sense of safety, self-compassion. Continue breathing deeply, allowing each breath to be a little slower than the last. Just notice how good that feels. And lastly, the face. Give it a try and see if it feels comfortable for you. Place your fingertips gently on your forehead. Start to stroke outwards from your temples and down the sides of your face, and then finally along your jawline. This tender touch to the face can be profoundly calming. It can help to smooth away all those worry lines and relax the entire body. You might move gently across your cheeks as well, just like this. With each touch, allow yourself to feel more settled and even more at peace. And as you continue these havening touches, I invite you to imagine a place where you feel completely at peace. It might be a quiet beach at sunset, might be a serene mountaintop, or a cozy room that's filled with warm, soft light. Visualize yourself in this place, wherever it is, surrounded by a sense of tranquility, calm, and safety. The air around you is filled with this calm. With every breath you take, you absorb the tranquility. And with every exhale, you release what no longer serves you. Take a few more deep, nourishing breaths. Try the evening touch in all three areas. See which one is most comfortable for you, knowing that you can use only one or all three. Simply feeling the effects of this lovely evening touch deepen with each one. With every inhale, draw in peace and calm. With every exhale, letting go of tension and stress. And whenever you feel ready, gently bring your hands to rest on your lap and slowly open your eyes, returning to the present moment. And notice how your body feels now. Hopefully, it'll be a little lighter and more at ease. You can keep going for a while longer if that's what you would like to do, or you can return to this meditation at any time. Thank you for joining me today, and remember, this practice and the peace that it brings, it's always available to you anytime you need it. Thank you so much for joining me today.